Welcome to the introduction video to the Ecodesign guideline. First of all, let's see what is Ecodesign and its environmental benefits. Currently, we are living in a consuming society, and the earth population is growing and growing. All products and services have an environmental impact, which is difficult to be calculated, even though the consequences are evident. Climate change, resource depletion, land, atmosphere and water pollution, and waste generation. Ecodesign is a methodology aimed to prevent the potential environmental impacts of products and services along their whole life cycle by considering them at the design stage. Since the ecodesign is based on the product functionality, the designer is pushed to reduce the global environmental impact at the same time that increases functionality and product quality. Ecodesign will support companies to align their offer with the circular economy goals. This guide has the following specific objectives: to learn about circular economy and ecodesign concepts and their benefits, to know the strategies of ecodesign with several demonstrative examples, to know the environmental assessment tools which are needed to verify the environmental improvement achieved by ecodesign, and to support companies to select the most suitable to them. Finally, it's aimed to support companies to manage ecodesign, either a single design project or to integrate it into the global management system of the company. According to the previous objectives, the guide contents can be structured in the following blocks: introduction to the circular economy and how ecodesign fits on this model, which are its benefits and applications. Besides, there are other related concepts, such as design thinking or eco-labeling, that complement this ecodesign methodology. Ecodesign strategies are explained following the life cycle of the product, from the concept itself to the material selection and reduction, the production process, the distribution and the use stage, ending at the final treatment. Each strategy is illustrated with examples to inspire companies to adapt and apply the strategies by themselves. To analyze the environmental improvement achieved by ecodesign strategies, there is needed to use one or more than one environmental assessment tools. There will be explained some of the options to choose depending on the design steps, the goals of the assessment, and the complexity of the tool. Finally, the ecodesign process is explained step by step from the design team composition to the final evaluation. Additionally, requirements established by the standard ISO 14006 to implement an ecodesign management system at the companies are summarized. To support companies to implement ecodesign, this guide can be used in the following way. First, make a first reading and establish your goals and expectations regarding the application of ecodesign at your company. You can develop an action plan according to your resources, context, and global strategy. Then, read the chapter on how to manage an ecodesign single project. If you are going to involve your company's team, follow the following steps all together. When reading Ecodesign Strategies chapter, try to identify a reference product from your company. Then, complete a table with all the theoretical strategies in the first column, classified by life cycle stages. And then consider one or more specific options of design to your product. Collect them in a second column. You can use additional columns to check the technical or economical viability and expected environmental benefits, and if there are positive or negative interactions between one life cycle stage and the others. Then select most suitable eco-design options and implement them into a detailed design. If your aim is to go further from this first eco-design checklist, read carefully the characteristics of the other environmental assessment tools and try to apply them to your eco-design product. If needed, connect with material flow analysis or life cycle assessment guides. In some cases, you will need to contact an expert. Finally, after the first running of an eco-design process, you can read which are the main additional requirements established by the standard ISO 14006 to implement an eco-design management system at your company. We hope you find this guide useful. Thank you for your attention.